Okay.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. By the way, I am Ginny D. Ibarzabal. Now, my topic is all about concept of fitness and wellness. So when we say fitness class means being strong, active, and healthy. It helps you do everyday activities easily. So without getting tired, you get fit by exercising, eating healthy, and taking exercise can help prevent them. So, can help prevent them. So, we can don't move your body regularly and eat too much junk food. It can lead to problems like heart disease, like heart disease, and also physical fitness. So physical fitness, the ability to perform daily tasks with vigor and without fatigue, and with sufficient energy to engage in time to meet emergencies and the vitality. So, physical fitness means having a strong and healthy body that lets you do daily activity. So next is physical activity. So when we say physical activity, is movements of the body that uses energy like walking, running, and also exercising. So next is exercise. So exercise is a planned and repeated physical activity like jogging or doing without to make your body. Next is moving from the lowest risk category, reduce rates of death from all cause by 58%, moving to the top 40% or athletic category lowest risk by 65%. So next is practice that enhance wellness. So exercise 4 to 5 times a week, and also eliminate tobacco products, limit alcohol consumptions, and limit fat, sugar, and sodium in diet. Don't skip meals. Eat 5 or more serving of fruit and vegetables per day, and also assist and manage stress. Now let's proceed to the health and wellness is a lifestyle. So you can eat well. It will decrease fat, sodium, and sugar intake, increase fiber through fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Read for labels, and don't skip meals, and also lose weight. If you need to moderate weight to lose, decrease risk of most disease related to overweight and obesity. So, and also get protein screening and immunizations. When problems are found early, enhance for treatment and cure are better. So next is cooperate wellness program. So first is decrease absenteeism and increase productivity and decrease health insurance costs. So next is emotional wellness. So emotional wellness, the ability to understand your own feelings, accept your limitations, and achieve emotional stability. And also person's ability to cope with daily circumstances and to deal with personal feelings in positive. So next is social wellness. So this ability to relate well to others both within and outside the family unit. So a person's ability to successfully interact with others and to establish meaningful relationships that enhance the quality of life for all people. So next is mental wellness. When we see mental wellness class is a state in which your mind is engaged in lively interaction with the world around you. So next is environmental wellness. So environmental wellness, the capability to live in a clean and safe environment that is not determined to health. So next is occupational wellness. So the ability to perform one's job skillfully and effectively under conditions that provide satisfactions, and reward each individual, and also spiritual wellness. So when we say spiritual wellness, the sense that life is meaningful, that life has purposes, and that some power brings all humanity. Next is physical wellness. So good physical fitness and confidence in one's person. And also skill-related physical fitness components. So these are the 6 components of fitness. So first is speed, power, agility, and balance, reactions, time, and coordination. So health-related fitness components that first is cardiorespiratory endurance, body composition, muscular strength, muscular endurance, and flexibility. So let's proceed to the body composition. Body composition is primarily influenced by nutrition and physical activities. So next is conducting fitness programs. So make fitness enjoyable. Second is establish goals and plan of action to attain them, and monitor progress, and also provide for maintenance of fitness. And also, fitness requires personal communities. That's all.